life has been so crazy. As you can see, I'm still a little bit sick. But yeah, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. I'm kind of debating on if I want to do 1 video or 2 videos a week. Again, I don't know. But we're not going to worry about that. And I'm just going to pack all of my, like monthly empties or whatever I'm going to call it, into this video. Next one may or may not be about what exactly happened, for my month review, because oh my god, you guys, things got crazy. I'm talking police, I'm talking breakups, I'm talking, oh my god. So there's a teaser for that. My life has been so freaking crazy, and then plus I got really sick, and I don't even know how to explain it to you guys, so I'm gonna wait and do all that in one other video, because I don't feel like I can do the empties and the month review in the same thing, just because this month was so crazy. So there we have it. Yeah, so don't mind my hair and everything. I was gonna get my makeup done, but I want to get this done first, just because I have time. Monthly empties. Month of March, I have gotten rid of 20 things, emptied out. A lot of them are pretty well empty for the most part, but I'll show you that there are some that are kind of empty, but I don't feel like, especially now, that I've started like kind of using more things, that I necessarily have to use every last drop of it, even though I would like to. Sometimes it's just way too hard and I don't want to stress about that. It's mostly just the point of getting it used, not wasting money, not wasting a lot of product. So yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. So yes, I got 20 things gotten rid of, emptied out, whatever. There's actually a little bit more that I've done, because I have been taking Goodwill bag, like I'm talking trash bags, to Goodwill like every other week. I'm pretty sure at the beginning of this month alone, I've gotten rid of 4 big trash bags full of stuff. And I'm still working on it. I'm still getting a lot of stuff. Like, it's been crazy, but I just feel like I buy so much and I don't wear it, I don't use it, and it just goes to waste. So I just donate it. I have donated so much. It's so crazy. But yeah, just jumping into the products that I have used that I have not donated, obviously. We're going to start with the lotions. I've emptied out 2 lotions. I've had this for a long time. And I don't really use lotion a whole lot. I try to use it every day, like after the shower, whatever. But sometimes it's just kind of hard. And this one's really big. And there is like a little bit left in it, but it's kind of hard to get. And this doesn't unscrew, so I really couldn't get to it. But I tried my hardest. So I got this lotion a couple years back. It was starting to kind of get old, but I wanted to use it because it is a good lotion. I gave it a 5 out of 5, and I would buy this again. But I think that I would mostly buy this as a shaving cream. So I've used this as a lotion and a shaving cream, but I think shaving cream wise, it made my legs feel so much softer, and then I didn't have to use lotion afterwards. The next one is this, and I love this brand so much, Soap and Glory Righteous Butter. And my friend got this as a Christmas present, but she didn't like it, so I used all of it this month. And like I said, some of them are products I've had for years, some of them are brand new products. I'll try to mention them if I remember. But yeah, I gave this one I didn't mark it down, but I remember it was a 5 out of 5, and yes, I would buy this again. It's very thick, and it really does keep you moisturized for like more than 24 hours. Like, I love this so much. Okay, next up is candles. I am obsessed with this one specific one. It is the Paris Cafe one. And let me just show you how obsessed I am, because I have emptied out 4 of these candles. That's like a candle a week. And yes, I'm going back to Bath & Body Works because I have 4 left. Is this a little bit of an obsession? Yes, but I use them and I love them. So I think that the money is well spent, and plus I have coupons, so it kind of justifies itself. But yeah, this month 4 candles, and they're all the same. Like, I am only gonna buy this candle from now on. It's never in stock though, like it's so good. But yeah, obviously love this candle so much. And then I bought this bath thing because I like taking my bubble baths and everything. I didn't want to waste my good soap. I gave this one a 5 out of 5. I would buy this again. I probably got like maybe 3 uses out of it because it kind of pours pretty fast. But obviously you can use less than that, you can use more than that. But yeah, I got this like at the beginning of the month. I used it up pretty much within the first 3 weeks. So yeah. Next up is a shampoo and conditioner I've had for maybe a couple years, maybe 1 year, I'm not sure. It's been at least a year. But this is the Naughty Wave Hello shampoo and conditioner. It's for like curl defining. If you have straight hair like me, or if you've permed it before, this helps really well with like making that natural kind of like kinky wave. So I like this a lot. It's a lot better than the other one I had for curly hair, because that one's for curly hair. This one kind of makes your hair curly, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I used up the shampoo and conditioner. I love this so much. I gave both of these a 5 out of 5, and I will be buying these again because it actually does curl my hair a little bit and help with that. Next up is this Not Your Mother's Triple Threat Brunette shampoo. I gave this a 5 out of 5. I will be buying this again. I dyed my hair back to blackish brown, if you can't tell, because, you know, work, and I don't know, wanted something a little bit different. And I'll get into that in the month review. But yeah, love this so much. And then this one my mom's had for a while. It's a Pantene 3-Minute Miracle. I did like it. I gave it a 5 out of 5, and I would buy this again, but only if my main, like, you know, Garnier ones aren't available. This is pretty good. I mean, it makes your hair soft. It gives it a little bit of volume, which is what it's supposed to do, so works. And then, like I said, this still has a little bit of product left in it, but it's so hard to get out. And I didn't want to just keep squeezing the bottle because, as you can tell, it's a really hard plastic and it was kind of hard. But I gave this a 5 out of 5 and a yes. I have bought this a couple different times. It makes your hair so smooth and shiny, and like, I love it so much. It's argan oil, so like it's really healthy for your hair. I have really damaged hair, so I mean, this helps a lot. I got it at Walmart. I think I got this like at the beginning of the month. And then this one I've had for a while, probably since December, but this is from Bath & Body Works. It's a soap. It's the Aromatherapy Stress Relief. I gave it a 5 out of 5, and I will be buying this again because it just reminds me of home, and I just love it so much. Next one up, this is a perfume I've had forever, probably since like middle school probably. It's a Vanilla Musk by Coty. I gave it a 2 out of 5. Will I be buying it again? No, because it's kind of like a cologne. It doesn't even really stay that long, and it just smells like vanilla extract. Like, it's strong. Next one up, I've had this for a while. It is the Coconut and Eve Honey, whatever, self-tanner, or tanning lotion, whatever it is, like tanning mousse. I give this a 5 out of 5. Yes, I will be buying this again, especially for the summer. But yeah, you know, this is empty, so I just decided to throw it away. But yeah, I do love this so much. And then for face wash, like I said, there's a little bit of product left at the bottom, but it's kind of hard to get out. I gave this a 5 out of 5. It's a yes. This is Biore. It's a charcoal one. I love Biore so much. I use this when I'm in the shower, because I wash my hair and then I wash my face in the shower, and then I wash my face afterwards. Kind of like a double cleanse, because I know my face, it's not really prone to breaking out, but because of all the stress and everything I've been under, it's kind of been like, you know, some things have been popping up, and this just kind of helps a little bit in the shower. In-shower treatment is what I call it. So there we go. And then we have this face mask I got in an Ipsy box, I think. I gave it a 5 out of 5. I might buy this again. I'm still debating because, I don't know. I really did like it. It's nothing wrong with that, but it's just like, it kind of smelled like dirt. Like, I mean, it is kind of like dirt, I guess. It's, you know, but anyways, I liked it. But yeah. And then toothpaste, 5 out of 5. I only use Colgate because anything else kind of like damages my gums. But yeah, just thought I'd mention this because, I don't know, I emptied it and I was proud of that. And then this I've had for quite a while and it ran out. It was just getting dry, wasn't getting the pigment on there, so I just decided better throw it away, rather than just hoarding it, because I have a problem with hoarding makeup. I give this a 5 out of 5. I will be buying this again. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. I love it. And then the last product, this is the Clean Zero. I think I got this in the Ipsy thing, but it takes your makeup off. I gave it 5 out of 5. I might buy this again. I don't know. There's probably cheaper things. I have like makeup milks, and it's kind of like the same thing. But that is pretty much all the products I gotten rid of and emptied for this month. Let me know down in the comments below if you emptied any products, if you like any of these products, don't like them, any of your opinions, thoughts, whatever. And make sure to give this video a like if you did. Make sure to subscribe if you like me. If you like me even more, check the description below, follow all my social media links. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna throw all this stuff away. And with all that being said, thanks for stopping by. Love you.